Welcome to ACE Achievers. I am Dr. Neeraj Wadhawan. I hope you all are in good spirits. Today I am just going to talk about a little bit about the MDS entrance exams, what all options you have if you are preparing for MDS. First is obviously the single biggest exam, which is the NEET MDS exam. All of you know about it. Earlier it used to be called the AIPG exam. Now it is called the NEET MDS exam. Okay. It opens a lot of opportunities for you, not only for MDS, but also if you want to go into Army Dental Corps. Okay. So you have the options, and if you get a good rank, not a government seat level rank, even if you miss upon that rank, but you have a good rank, you can go into a private college, okay, without much of capitation. You just pay the fee and you do your MDS. So it becomes much more reasonable and cheaper for you to do MDS even in a private college. The more difficult exam is the INICT exam. It is done twice a year, okay, and it controls the seat distribution in AIMS all across India. PGI, Chandigarh and JIPMER, three institutions it covers. So if you want to go into AIMS, all across India, you have the INICT exam. It is done 2 times in a year, once in May and once in November. Apart from that, INICT exam can also open positions of JRship, especially in the AIMS institutes. If there are JRship, non-academic JRship seats, you can go into them. There are many non-academic JRship opportunities which come across the country in various government institutes. Because you are prepared for the NEET MDS exam, when you give the exams or interviews for these posts, you are much better prepared academically. Okay, so it can help you, the preparation can help you to get into JRship in various government colleges all across India. Army Dental Corps always goes through NEET MDS exam. We help and train people get into Army Dental Corps. Every year we have a lot of selections. Army Dental Corps is a very prestigious, short service commission is a very prestigious post to have, and it's a very good career opportunity for all of you. Then when you're preparing for the NEET MDS exam, obviously you are very well entrenched into the academic setup. Now you can apply for various state level PSC exams, come often, and there are notifications which come in various newspapers and all. So you get to know. We also inform our students that PSC level exam has come for this particular state. If you are eligible, you should apply for it. These are mostly government jobs which are permanent in nature. So they also give you good career opportunity. So this was about all across the scope of preparation as far as NEET MDS exam is concerned and other opportunities are concerned after your BDS. I hope you found it useful. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.